Thanks for visiting today. You're just in time for another mail call. Let's check it out. Alright guys, thanks for checking this out today. So this package came in the mail today. It's something I picked up from our good friends at eBay. In fact, it's a couple things that I found from the same seller. She had these items for a decent price and I couldn't help but jump at the chance to get them. I will say that one of them is a klicky that I've wanted for some time, even though he's incomplete, but I may have just the thing to complete the figure for display on my shelf. So let's, as soon as we get this package open, we might be able to see it. Alright, the other is just a duplicate accessory that I want for my photos and videos. Nothing major, it's just mainly a prop for the settings of some of the things I post on social media. Alright, nothing left in the bag, right? Okay, I won't need that. So, as you can see, we have two of the same klicky. That's right, that was just a 2-for-1 special, but first let's check out the accessory. As you can see here, we have a video camera, a movie camera. Pretty cool. I have one already, but I just wanted another. I'm working on an animated video and just want a second one to use for one of the background characters. I made a custom camera operator and he uses the one I have already, which is also customized, but just in the lenses. I may make custom lenses for this one too, but right now I have no desire to. But that's our new movie camera. Let's check out our klicky. As for this klicky, we have not one, but two nautical themed klickies. Not sure if this is Poseidon, Neptune, or Triton. I'm guessing the Roman mythological god Neptune. I often visualize Triton as a merman, as he is portrayed in Disney's animated adaptation of The Little Mermaid. As you can see, we are missing some pieces for both figures, but the one on the right is noticeably nearly complete. We're just missing his trident, but lucky for me, I do have an extra one we can use. And here we have him with that trident. He's complete and good as new. I really like the mix of green hues here, and that fish scale pattern is really nice. I'm also a big fan of the beard. I don't have many of this design, certainly not that color, which adds to the overall uniqueness of this figure. The one thing I do find a bit strange is the use of the silver bracelets over the gold. It's the one gripe I have about this figure, but one I can overlook. I actually thought the previous owner may have substituted the gold ones for these, but after looking up multiple sources on the internet, the silver bracelets are indeed correct for this figure, so I really don't have much room to complain here. I appreciate that Playmobil designed this klicky with feet, but for this figure, I think it would have been nice if they had interchangeable parts, so he could have a choice between feet or even a fishtail. Make him swim like the mermaids do. And there you have it, our eBay delivery of the movie camera and our God of the Sea. If I have a plan for that other one, I'll feature him in another video of custom klickies. But that's it for this haul, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more Playmobil content. You can also follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you again very soon right here on Playmo AF. Bye-bye.